good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir. I'm Ivy Oberes. I'm 37 years old. I live in Purupor, Cabaruan, Cagayan City, Isabela. I am single mother. I have 3 kids, ages 17, 14, and 9 years old. I'm high school graduate.
Okay, can you tell me your work experience?
I'm worked in Saudi Arabia for 3 years. I serve 1 couple and 2 kids, ages 3 and 0 months old. I do my house chores like cooking, cleaning, washing clothes, ironing, and also I'm worked in Hong Kong for 9 months. I serve 1 couple and 2 kids, ages 3 and 7 months old. And I do my house chores like cooking, washing, cleaning, and then send the kids to the school and to pick up, bring at home. And also I'm working in Brunei for 1 year. I serve 1 couple and 1 kid for age of 3 years old. And I do my house chores like washing clothes, cleaning, cooking, and also taking care of the babies.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I check the temperature and then I tell my employer the baby is sick.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I'm hardworking, honest, and trust.
Okay. Do you have any tattoo?
No.
Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
Yes, and cesarean section for 9 years now.
Do you have an allergy to certain food?
No.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No.
Why do you want to work abroad?
For the future of the family, my kids, and also myself.
Okay. If you get hurt, who will take care of your children?
My mother-in-law and my live-in partner.
Okay. If you're homesick, what would you do?
Pray, talk to family, and focus to my work.
Okay. What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I sleep at 10 p.m. and I wake up 6 a.m. in the morning.
Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
No patient.
Okay. Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes.
When you visit the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No.
Are you willing to share a room with kids?
Yes.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes.
Can you cook Chinese food?
Yes. But still learning. Willing to learn.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Row, row, row the boat.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
Good day, sir and ma'am. I hope you select me as your helper, and I promise I do my best to serve your family, and thank you.